Welcome back to the channel and welcome to an unboxing video. In today's video, we're going to unbox and take a look at this new smart cable lock. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, definitely gonna film a vlog about it. If I have any DIY projects around the house, including assembling IKEA furniture, I'll film those too. And if I ever do any maintenance or add anything to the Tesla Model 3, I'll film a video about that too. And of course, if I learn anything new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'll film that as well. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, we're going to unbox a smart cable lock. This smart cable lock is available on Amazon. I will put a direct link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. I absolutely love the idea of having a cable lock because it gives you multiple uses. If you want to lock up something like a snowboard, you can do that with a cable lock. If you want to lock up your bicycle, maybe you want to lock your barbecue to your balcony, all of those things can be done very simply using a cable lock. One thing I hate about most locks is keys. And this lock here is a smart cable lock, so you have the ability to unlock it with your phone, or you can actually unlock it using your fingerprint. So let's get into the unboxing, open it up, have a look, see what we can do with it. Pretty easy unboxing here, it's just in a blister pack, so we'll pop that out. Of course we have a zip tie on here, so take that off. And there you have it, your smart cable lock. So let's have a look at the unit now. So we have a flip out piece here, which protects the fingerprint reader as well as protects the USB charging port. So you can see that here. And then we're gonna plug this in and set it up. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna take out your cell phone, you wanna head to the App Store and download the eSmart Lock application. So once you have your account set up and you have your lock paired, now you have the ability to unlock your cable lock using your smartphone. So simply open up the app, click on your lock, click on Bluetooth unlock. It says to touch the pad to keep it blue. So we did that here and we're gonna have a blue light. And we can see now we're unlocked. We wanna lock it again, simply press in here and you can see that it's locked again. So now that you have the app downloaded and it's successfully paired with your lock, you might not always want to have your smartphone with you to unlock this device. So because it has a fingerprint sensor, that gives you the ability to unlock this lock without using your smartphone. So the next thing we're going to do is set up our fingerprint so that we can unlock this lock using just our fingerprint. So inside the application, you want to click on the middle button to make sure that your lock is connected. Touch the lock to wake it up. Once it's connected, you see the settings icon in the corner. So you want to click on settings, enter your administrator password, click confirm, and then click on user management, click on the admin, and click on fingerprint management, and click on add fingerprint. So fingerprint 1, click on add fingerprint. Move your finger around the recognized and repeat this step until complete. Okay, so we're going to kind of place our finger on here. Okay, so we have our fingerprint added. So now that we've set up our fingerprint in our phone, we can lock the lock like so. You can see that it's locked. Then we can take our finger and press it on here. Oh, we'll try again. And unlocked. So no need to use your smartphone anymore. We now have a lock that we don't need to carry keys or a smartphone. You can just use your fingerprint. So the manufacturer says with a half an hour charge, you're going to get 1,500 unlocks using this smart lock or about a year of use. So even if you have to charge it up a couple times a year, that's not a big deal to have the convenience of being able to use your fingerprint to unlock your lock, or if you have your smartphone handy, to unlock your lock with your smartphone. So if you think you want one of these smart locks in your life, I put a direct link in the description below to Amazon, and in most cases, you can have this arrive at your doorstep in about 2 days. Thanks so much for watching today. If you liked this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. It really makes a difference. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.